Hello, my friends from YouTube. Today I will show you a test measuring device made by a Romanian company. The Romanian company is IEMI Electronics CO. This is a artificial load, a 50 ohm artificial load with a power selector from 3 watts, 10 watts and 30 watts. It has a capacity, or it has a frequency, a maximum frequency, sorry, of 500 megahertz. It's made in Romania and is made for the foreign customers. It's very sturdy, very nice looking one. Here we can see the type. It's a 1408 series made in 1996. It's a E0408 model and it has a very carrying, probably, handle. We have the scale 30, 10 and 3 watts. It has a N-type female connector, and inside we have a shielded resistor pack that I will show you. It's made from steel plate to be shielded very good. It's very handy for having a dummy load inside your test equipment laboratory. And now inside we have this round shape housing, shielded housing for flat resistance put in parallel. Here we have a small circuit with a transistor and a capacitor made to go through the needle, to power the needle, to measure. Here we have some variable resistance there, potentiometer, sorry, for the three scale, 3, 10 and 30 watts, so we can measure the limit. And as I said, it's very nice, it's very good, it handles very good the powers. And also I tested from mistake, of course. I go over 30 watts at maximum pace, and it handled it very good. So I didn't burn any resistance, the wires stood their ground and so on. So it's a very good, very nice test equipment, and I hope you like my video. I hope you like this instrument. If you have one and you have some problems with it, I can guide you having this for reference. So if you have any kind of question about this equipment, give it a message down on the video and I'll answer as quickly and as professional as possible. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. And happy tinkering. Bye bye.